Start.
Good morning. So it is the second session for the ACT lesson, the fun they had. I had already shown you some videos and merits and demerits of the robot teacher. So now we will be dealing with the actual lesson, the fun they had. The main characters of this story are Margie and Tommy. Both the children are living in 2157. So you should imagine that we are talking about 2157, where the life and the future will be completely different. The story opens with Margie writing in her diary on the page headed May 15, 2157. Margie and Tommy are very surprised to see a pale yellow book. They don't understand what is a book. They accidentally bump into a book. Tommy found it in his attic while he must have gone to the roof, and he found a book in the roof, and he just brings it down and shows it to Margie. She could not believe that the previous generation read and studied from something like that. So both the children are surprised to see a book which they have never seen, though they have heard it from their grandfather, but they have never seen an actual book, and it is very surprising for them to see an actual book. Now the author we all remember, Isaac Asimov, has convinced the readers that it is a futuristic setup and education was imparted through machines and not human teachers. They were amused to read how different the education system was years back. And the children, Tommy and Margie, they were so surprised. Actually, a human teacher came. There was something called a school building, and there was something called classrooms, and all the children were sitting together and reading together. So actually, Margie started to feel that she must have enjoyed if she had gone to those classes, because there is a lot of fun involved apart from the academics. There is a lot of fun in that type of classes. Margie actually hated the method of studying and learning which she was doing. She was given instructions by a robot or a mechanical teacher. Daily, some subject will be taught by the robot, and then Margie has to solve the questions and then insert it into a slot. So actually, there is very less interaction between the robot and Margie, and it is very monotonous that the robot keeps on giving the instructions and Margie just has to take it. The mechanical teacher actually was very quick and checked Margie's answer in very less time. Margie hated geography as she repeatedly did not perform well in the subject. So you also know, you are also studying in school, so you know that if an actual teacher comes, it is quite effective. This online classes also, we must be feeling, actually if I had been in the class, this doubt is coming to my mind, I would have asked madam instantly. Now you have to either Google or ask your parents. So definitely such classes, though there are some advantages, there are disadvantages also. As a result, the county inspector was called to understand the reason of Margie's poor performance. He found that there was nothing wrong with Margie. So Margie's parents must have gone and told the inspector that Margie is facing some problem in geography. So the county inspector told Margie's parents that actually the speed of the robot or the mechanical teacher was more. That is why they will reduce the level of the speed and it will become of Margie's level. The machine was too fast for Margie. Margie expected that mechanical teacher will be taken away. So in the heart of hearts, Margie was very happy. She could say goodbye to the robot, but that did not happen. However, the county inspector adjusted its speed to Margie's level. So that is the way how a robo works. In this we can even simultaneously learn how a robo teacher or mechanical teacher can be adjusted to the speed of a student's level. That is what we are getting. Tommy shares with Margie, in the previous time the students had to go to school and study with the other children. Now Tommy is going through that actual book and telling very wonderful and exciting experiences the students of previous generation had. Tommy and Margie when not even reached the half of the book, Margie's mother called her. She went to the classroom and found her mechanical teacher waiting for her. The mechanical teacher was to teach her a lesson on arithmetic. So now actually it is time for Maggie for the classes. A robo has come and the robo today will be teaching her arithmetic. Now you see that Margie is completely impressed by the schools of our time, and she is not listening, she is physically present with the robo, but mentally her mind is roaming in those classrooms where those children were having lot of fun. Margie, completely disinterested, was still stuck with the thoughts of old schools where all the students studied together. They had a chance to mingle, interact, socialize and form bonds. She cannot imagine to have a good friend also because she is sitting alone and the robo is teaching her. So she is imagining about the bonds that are created in the classroom, the interaction those children were having and the mingling and the fun while the academics was being imparted. Now let's talk about the critical analysis of the chapter, the fun they had. So if you think Isaac Asimov, he is trying to tell us about a utopian society. Now what does the word utopia mean? Utopia means an imaginary world. We are having very much the school building, we are having textbooks, we are having human teacher. So for us to imagine life in 2157 is difficult. So Sir Isaac Asimov, he has tried to take you to a utopia. Utopia means an imaginary world. Maybe actually by that time teachers may be replaced by robots. So author feels school and education will become so mechanical that the students want experience. The author feels school and education will become so mechanical that children want experience, tenderness and love of human teacher, which is needed to raise the individual of fine characters. So children who are sitting at home, hope they are all awake. Now I want to tell you, when I am there with you day and night, because we are residential school, we establish a very intimate bond with each other. I see you every day, you see me every day, and naturally a bond is created. There is something called love and tenderness between us. A lot of affection is generated. So Margie or the author wants to highlight that fact. If a mechanical teacher comes to the classroom, these qualities like tenderness, love, or I may be even giving moral lectures, I may be telling you sessions of moral values, the robo won't be doing all these things. That is what he wants to focus. These are the major demerits of a lesson which is instructed by a robo. Machines can only impart knowledge but not the human values. While studying in a school, a child interacts with other children of his age and forms bonds. The mechanical education system will put an end to social bonding. So definitely that robo will come every day and he will go away. But there is no actual social bonding between the student and a teacher. If I ask you, who is your favorite teacher? Somewhere you must be having a favorite teacher in your mind, and why he or she has become your favorite? Maybe his personal bonding was good, maybe his way of instruction was good. So this type of social bonding may not take place when you are actually taught by a virtual teacher. As learning with other kids of your age could be motivational. That is definitely a good factor. If your friend is doing extremely well in academics, definitely you will also think that my next term grades should be excellent. So there is a competition, healthy competition that is established, and children want to rather overtake their friends. All this can happen only when there is a school building, when all the children meet, there is a human teacher. These are all the demerits Isaac Asimov is trying to say if virtual learning starts to happen. Definitely, by this time you must have guessed the theme of the lesson. The theme of the lesson is influence of technology on society. The whole story circles around technology and how children in the version of the future and children of today interact with that. So definitely you must be feeling very happy that we are blessed that we can even access to virtual learning because of COVID-19. We are having online classes, but definitely after a month or so you are going to join me, and I will definitely we will have that social bonding and that type of usual classes. Thank you.